हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल पाक जॉब्स। आज मैं आपको पाक जॉब्स के ये जो तमाम तर न्यू जॉब्स आ रहे हैं उनके बारे में और उनके प्रिपरेशन के बारे में। जॉब्स की प्रिपरेशन कैसे की जाती है, पास पेपर्स, टेस्ट पेपर्स साल किए जाते हैं, उनके बारे में बताऊंगा। हाँ, आज सिंध पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन का हैदराबाद जो कल टेस्ट हुई है 13 फरवरी 2028 को 10 बजे से 11 बजे तक, उसका मैं आज सॉल्व पेपर लेके आया हूँ। तब तक के लिए मेरे वीडियोस को लाइक करें और यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और मेरे वीडियोस को शेयर करें ताकि दूसरों की भी हेल्प हो सके। अब चलते हैं वीडियोस की तरफ। सॉल्व पेपर मैथमेटिक्स डिपार्टमेंट का ऑफ सिंध पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन। First, Central Public Service Commission pre-interview written test for the post of subject specialist mathematics BPS 17 in a school education and literacy department government option Thursday 13 February 2025 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. Maximum marks 100. Question answer. The first question, the speaker did not properly speak out of his speech because he was detected. Second question का जो आंसर है वो either the cats or the dog was responsible for the mess. The third, the word oligarchy refers to a group of powerful peoples, or a word study which of the following correct? All of these. And fifth, the term alumnus refers to a former student of college. Sixth, meaning of the idiom out of the blue from now aware. Answer from a now aware. And then, what is the correct antonym of word validity? Ganymedes. Antonym of ruthless is merciful. Antonym of anguish is polite. The first and second derivatives of quadratic polynomial at 1 and 2 respectively, then the value of given is answer 1. 11 क्वेश्चन डेरिवेटिव उसका आंसर सी है और लेबनिज़ थ्योरम एप्लीकेबल इफ n इज पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. रोल थ्योरम इज स्पेशल केस ऑफ मीन वैल्यू थ्योरम. and which of the following is not necessary condition for Cauchy mean value theorem? There is exist value such that. 15 question, the function n be continuous and the derivation is equal to 0. Derivation of equal to 0. The mean value of theorem was stated and proved by Michael Rolle. Find the value of the satisfy the mean value theorem for the function on 32. What is the value of given limit? Question 18c. The half interval method in numerical analysis is also known as regula falsi method. 20 evaluate answer B equals, and 21 equals answer 0. 22 which are the following not a standard method for finding the solution of a differential equation? Orthogonal method. The following function represent implication x for 25 which of the following is true respect to formation of differential equation by elimination of arbitrary constant if n is arbitrary constant? B answer. 26 the element of arbitrary constant given equation must be integrated with respect to dependent variable. Question answer C. If the sequence of decreasing, if the sequence decreasing, then it may converge to infinium. That is, if the sequence of infinium diverges. The average of the first multiple of 9 is 27. If 10 men do if 10 men work in 30 days, how many are need to complete the same work in 40 days? 16. The sum of interior angles of triangle is 180. If the sum of two numbers is 30 and the difference is 8, what is the product? 206. A group generated by one of its elements is called a cyclic group. Who discovered the basic laws of geometry? Pythagoras. If a square is rotated 90 degree, what the shape does it become? Square. Which agreement lead to formal end of 119 war between India and Pakistan? Simla agreement. In which year did Pakistan become a republic? 1962. Which country won the 2020 World Cup, Cricket World Cup? India. Which country experienced a major earthquake in early 2030 leading to humanitarian crisis? India. Which organ in human body is primarily responsible for filtering blood? Kidney. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? Vitamin A. What is the primary function of firewall of computer networks? To block viruses.